Tap in.
Little waist ass fat bitch tap in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, are they protesting? This is sweet. Well yeah, today is a vlog and today is June 19th, which means that today is Juneteenth. This is the first year that Juneteenth has been recognized as, well, in New York City and I believe Virginia, if I'm not mistaken, as a holiday. Okay, we are on the road to it being recognized in all 50 states as a national holiday. Juneteenth was the day that slaves in the South you know, finally knew about the fact that they were freed after 2 years of being free. I believe it was mainly Texas, if I'm not mistaken, that found out that they were actually free slaves for the past 2 years. So today we celebrate the free slaves. We celebrate Black Lives Matters. We celebrate everyone who has been on the front lines helping and trying to fight for a cause, protesting, spreading the word, educating everyone. We fight for you guys. We're celebrating you guys. So today me and Bae are going to go on a picnic. We are on our way to get some food because I ain't got time to cook and I ain't have time to cook, but we're on our way to get some food and then we're gonna get to the picnic. And they have a couple of events at certain parks for Juneteenth, so we're going to see if it's possible for us to have like a picnic there, but if not, I don't know, we're just gonna stay at the event for a little bit, right? Yeah, we're just gonna stay at the event for a little bit and then like just go do our own little thing. But yeah, so I'm going to basically just vlog this day and just show you guys what it is that I'm doing for Juneteenth, okay? And let me know down below what you guys have, because by the time you guys see this, it will be like June 21st on a Sunday or probably Saturday. You'll most likely see this on the 21st, so let me know down below what you guys did to celebrate June 19th. And if you didn't do anything, then don't feel bad. You know, self-care is celebration as well. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get to the park or whenever. Toodles. So we're at Walmart. Walmart. We're getting, what are we getting?
Blankets, baskets.
Picnic blanket and a picnic basket because we don't have any to carry the stuff in. And I just don't want to, you know, I want to have like a certain aesthetic. Oh, baby, we didn't bring no fruits. We're gonna get fruits from Walmart. So we're also gonna have fruits, okay, because I want a certain aesthetic. He forgot the hookah. I forgot the hookah too, but like, you know, I've been telling him that I wanted hookah for this picnic since like yesterday, because we was originally supposed to go yesterday. So hopefully we have time to pick up a hookah because it is pretty late. It's like 6:30. Oh shoot, I left my mask. I feel like Spider-Man. I'm sure people are looking at me like I'm crazy because people never, where did you park? Oh, I see it. People always look at me like I'm crazy when I'm recording because it's like, who does she think she is? Who does this girl think she is? And if she's somebody, I don't know her. So she can't be that important, right? You feel me? So yeah, we are going to get some fruits. We are going to get some blankets, picnic basket. Hopefully we can get a hookah. And I'll just have my own personal hookah here. But yeah. That's what we are about to do. So we are at the park now, and they are having a blast. I can't even record all of this because I might get flagged on YouTube, but look. Hey.
Let's do it, let's do it.
This you can
Amen. Amen.
No, they did not. You heard it? The say less. Hey. We have our little picnic going. Okay, we have some fruit, some chicken and waffles. I got my hookah, I'm about to light it up soon. We have our food, some wings, games. This is gonna be a little vibe. But yeah, I'm about to take a picture because the sun is about to go down and the sun is perfect right now, so I'm about to take a picture. Yeah, we're just gonna have a nice little picnic. Okay. Hey.
DJ Hollywood.
So what you saw earlier was basically just, or maybe you might see it after, but the NAACP, they are hosting like a Juneteenth event here at this park, so that's the reason why we came here. It's really just music and a good time. We got here a little late, started at 6, we got here like close to 7:30, 7:40, and then trying to look for parking, that didn't work. But we're just enjoying and making the best of it. We ate our little food, we're about to play some Uno. And yeah, are we gonna go to the other one tomorrow? So we'll go to a Juneteenth celebration tomorrow too. So I'll bring you guys along with me there. Okay? I know this one isn't really like eventful or anything. I don't know what to show you guys. I don't know, maybe I could set up my camera to show you how competitive we are with Uno. But I don't know if that's gonna work or not because we're losing the sun. So it's gonna get real dark. Why are you smiling at me? But alright. Toodles.
The next day.
Hey guys, so today was a bust. Entire bust. We woke up early, like earlier than we expected to wake up, and then like waiting for like the time to get near, we ended up falling asleep, and then overslept. So we were not able to make the event. We were driving by hopefully to try to like make it, to see if we could at least catch like the last couple of minutes or something, but that just didn't work out. They were already like packing up and everything when we got here, so that sucks because I really wanted to see it. I really wanted to see what was going on, you know, see the celebrations and stuff, but it is what it is. So we are probably going to do another picnic again. It's really hot. I don't like being outside when it's like super hot, but we'll probably do another picnic today. And today I'm wearing like pigtails, so I was going for like a really like cute little pigtail. And this man has been wanting me to do pigtails. I don't know what is his obsession with pigtails, but he's been wanting me to do pigtails forever. So you know, I just did the pigtails to put a little smile on his face because you know, a good girlfriend. But yeah, we are. I know what we're doing right now. I was hoping that there was gonna be like something else somewhere around here. Yeah, but it's like nothing. Like it's not, you know, like everything was last minute. I feel like even when we was looking at the articles that was like for like the events that was yesterday and today, they were made like literally Thursday the 18th, so it was really like last minute. So I feel like next year the celebrations are gonna be bigger, like things are gonna be planned. I'll be able to be like, okay, this is what I'm gonna be doing, this is where I'm going, and we won't be on quarantine hopefully, so my sleeping schedule won't be crazy and I won't be waking up at like 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Hopefully this time, since we're not rushing to do the picnic, we can really like, you know, have like a nice chill picnic. And we're going to a different park, so there's way more like greenery. It's like I'm gonna need a lot of off spray, like a lot. But yeah, when we get there, we're on our way there, we do anything exciting, I will update you guys. Let me turn this down. We are at our, oh, I'm turning it up. We are at our little picnic. The food is what we had left over from yesterday. I got my little, you know, hookah. You feel me? It pulls better than that. It's just like, I was just trying to. There's the smoke. Okay, but we are at, I don't know what park this is, but it's some park. But basically it looks like this. a lot of greenery, an open field. It's really, really cute. It's cloudy today. I don't know if I'm gonna get really good pictures because it's really cloudy. I try to take my pictures during golden hour, so that way he wants me to say golden hour gives me powers, but it's so corny. Anyways, but I like to take my pictures during golden hour because it just makes my skin glow and it just makes everything look so like really good. Golden hour is usually around like 7:30. So we're gonna wait and see. Hopefully the sun comes out of this big old cloud by then and I'll be able to take my pictures. But if not, I'm still gonna take my pictures. It is what it is. We left our Uno games and our Uno cards. We don't got no cards to play or whatever. But you know, we're just gonna bond, I guess. Let's bond. We're just gonna bond and talk and chill and just really enjoy, you know, the weather and stuff. That is it. It's not really much else there is for us to do. I'll probably prop you guys up and do like a b-roll of what it is until my camera overheats, because this camera overheats crazy and I definitely want to get a new camera because this one I can't deal with it. But yeah.
Tap in.
Little waist ass fat bitch tap in.
Tap in. I ain't get your butt. Come on. Little way did tap in. Come on. This is a music video. Come on. Tap in. Hey, tap in. Ah.
Stupid. Alright, so that is the end of today's vlog. That is the end of my celebrations for today and everything. Yeah, I just brought you guys along to see me taking my content and my photos, trying to get it, even though the sun is gone, like literally gone. Try to at least take something and just see if I can edit it to make it look good. If not, it is what it is, such is life. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next one. And if you guys want more vlogs from me, then let me know. You know, quarantine is letting up just a little bit, but coronavirus is still very prominent. So I definitely want to make sure that, you know, I'm safe, because things just won't be open like that. Is that a dragonfly? I get distracted so easily. But yeah, things won't be open, and you know, life isn't gonna go back to normal for a little while. So I still won't have a lot of things that, you know, I can record. But I'm gonna see, like, you know, whatever thing that I go to, like whatever type of event or gathering that I go to, I'm gonna see if, you know, I can record and, you know, have a grand old time and just show you guys what it is that I do on my day-to-day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.